Now we're going to put the topping on these miniature pizzas. As you can see, I'm going to mix it a little bit more before I put it in. I'm going to put a small amount and just spread it a little bit with the tablespoon. Now you can put on top of that, well, you can put grated cheese if you want, or what we're gonna put is pieces of olive. You can put either green olives or black olives. You can put a piece of mushroom, can be beautiful. Or a piece of pepper, or a few vegetables together, which can make it look very pretty. You can see I'm going to put the olive in the middle and have an inviting look of come and eat me. Now I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes until it gets nice light brown color. You shouldn't overbake it, of course, because then they're going to get very hard, and you shouldn't bake it too little. Just if you're not sure, you just check. You can take a fork or something and just lift up a little bit the little pizzas when they're inside the oven, and you can see that the bottom gets nice brownish color before the top. So this is a way to know that the pizzas are ready and you can take them out.